right, we just got done with our first ride using my Pearl Izumi Attack road sneakers, my Giro helmet. We got about 24 miles in about an hour and 45 minutes or so. This thing is quite a beast. At cruising in the eco and tour mode, just kind of taking it chill, you can easily keep a 20-mile pace. Putting in some real work, you can get to 25. On the sport or turbo mode, cruising, you're easily going 25 miles an hour, and I think I got up to like maybe 35 on a downhill. Really fun bike. Super enjoying everything about it. No complaints so far, except for that darn security system. I think I'm gonna wait until the battery gets a little bit lower to start charging. I'm not gonna deplete it entirely, but I was just reading about lithium ion and deplete them to about 50% and then recharge is what I heard to keep longevity.